Ismael asked me what was the classes that I want to take. I didn't know nothing about it, and I just told him I can take whatever classes I want, but I never thought that they're gonna put me with electricity. I want to be on wood or something less dangerous.
I think she felt a little intimidated and a little uncertain about what she was getting involved in, but I think once she got here, she really thrived in this environment. I think it's important to expose youth and young women to the industrial arts because it provides them with some opportunities that they might not have had on their radar in terms of things that they can do.
Ella la primera vez que vino me explicó que tenía un poco miedo en la forma de cómo se usan las herramientas, pero pues le di unos consejos que tenía que aprovechar esa oportunidad.
This kind of work, women, they're not supposed to do it in my country. Women needs have the ability to do what the men do too, and if the men have the opportunity to do certain stuff, women have to do it too. Why not? What makes the difference? I want to make a Frida Kahlo face, but I never thought that I was going to make it myself. I thought that I was going to learn from my mentor.
She was combining so many different materials, and she does ceramics and welding and everything, and she wanted to kind of represent that throughout her piece. When she actually completed it, it was so beautiful and she was so proud of it.
The Crucible really helped me to believe in myself. I came here to the Crucible and I did really hard work and I did things that women are not supposed to do, and to see what I made, it makes me feel more strong about what I think.
We invited Maritza to be a part of a panel discussion that we had, the next generation of industrial artists. She talked and spoke about that so eloquently that I think she touched so many people in that room.
A woman came to me and told me that if I wanted it to bring my piece to San Francisco, because when I came there with my family and I see that people was taking pictures of them, I feel so proud of myself.
La primera vez que miré el arte fue un arte que vinimos aquí a un evento y ella mostró su arte que hizo y pues me quedé más admirado y sorprendido por el talento que demostró ella y me impactó y la felicité y yo con mi señora nos orgullecemos de nuestra hija que tenemos.
Before I didn't like art. And then after all my process in the Crucible and after seeing my final piece, now I can tell that I do like art. And yeah, I consider myself as an artist. Yeah.